Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 8 of this car dealership. Let's get started. So in the previous video, we were able to add in the floors and we added all these areas right here. And then now what I'm planning to do is add in or tag in all the rooms in order for us to see all the rooms that we created, and then at least we could assess what we've done. So now I'm gonna start at the top here. So I'm gonna click on room, and then it's under architecture. So I'm gonna tag this one and also this garage. We're going to divide this area and also this area as well. So in order for us to divide this big area right here, we're gonna click on room separator, and then we're gonna separate it from this area right here. So there's gonna be 3 of this, and then you separate everything. So from this above right here, and then we're gonna separate again on here. So the middle right here, we're going to separate it, and then now click on room again to tag this area, and then here let's tag here, and then here as well. And then once I tag here, let's add in the names. So start off right here. This will be car wash. Make sure it's capital. This will be garbage. So in Canada, all the garbage should be located in the garbage room. So we insist of having rooms for all the garbage. That's one of the reason for that is for all the insect animals like raccoons, so they don't they just don't do messed up all the garbage around. So here in Canada, our country is very environmental friendly. And then here we're going to put repair planning department. We have a service area here, service 1, as we have a lot of service area right here. And then we have a wash bay right here. We have tool room, wash bay area or storage. We have the sprinkler, sprinkler room, and then we have electrical room right here, and then we have office, we have washroom 1, and then we have lounge slash advisor. So that's basically this area. Let's add in more information right here onto this area. So we need to go back to architecture, click on room, and select this room right here, and that will be service department. And then let's tag this one. We have a lift here, and then another lift, and then we have storages right here, and then we could have click here, and we need to room separate those, and then some office. Stairs number 1 and 2 right here, and then another office. We need to separate this one and then this. And of course this area needs to be separated as well. And then we have this area as well. So as much as possible, I'm just adding all of this right now, and then eventually we're going to add and separate them. So for example here, I'm gonna select room separator. We can separate it from here to here, and then right here to this area, and then we could just separate this one right here. Okay, so let's check if this has been separated, which is separated. This is washroom, this is our lounge, and then now let's put this one right here, service department, and then after that we have equipment room right here, lift number 1, and then we have lift number 2 right here. We have stairs number 1 as well here, and then another stairs right here. So that's stairs number 2, and then washroom number 2. We need to separate here, so room separator, and let's separate it right there so that we can tag this room. And then this one is corridor, and then this one is storage, we have janitor right here, washroom number 3, and then we could separate this again, so room separator, and then I want to separate this one as well because we have enough room, and then this one as well we can separate this. This is the kitchenette, and then here's the showroom right here plus the bullpen. Showroom / bullpen. and then we could have vestibule here and washroom right here. So here we have a washroom showroom presenter. Most of the time you could use this for when a client is receiving their car, and then they could provide them a private room so that they could take a picture, put in some of the ribbons and those kind of stuff. So that's the one that I wanted to add there. This is office, and then another open office right here. We could put kitchen, and then here office, we could put office 1, and then we could just copy and paste. And then we have manager right here, and then we also have we can also have service manager right here. We have the sales manager here. Service manager, and then advisors for the service. We have washroom there, and then we have lounge, and then we have lounge, or we have open office as well here. This one, assessment, so they could assess their car. This is the used car showroom / bullpen. Storage, and then we also have offices right here. Office 1, washroom number 3, office 2, and then sales manager right here. Used, and then car entrance. And this one is client washroom. So we could just add those information. Then here we could just delete this one. We don't need that, so we could just delete this line. It could be just a lounge area as well, so we don't need to tag that. We could put service, and then here we have lounge and advisor as well. We're just cleaning it up so you can grab it there. And then office, repair, car wash, garbage room. I think we have all of them for the first floor. And then now let's click on level 2. We're gonna try and add some. So let's click on right here. If your underlay is not turned on, what you can do is go to your properties and then just put your base to level 1 so that you can see the layout for level 1. That's very important because we're trying to add rooms at the top right here. So now I'm gonna select this interior wall, CS on that, and then we're going to add, because we have stairs here, obviously we need to go from that stairs, so we're going to mimic the lift as well. And then here, what's the difference is we will have a bigger room. So basically the one at the top will be open right here. So we're going to put this one all the way right there, and then here we're going to have, we're gonna need to close this off, and then we need to align the one that below. So AL, align it right here. So for this one, I want it to be at least 2000. So 2000 is the gap. So that's perfect. I'm just gonna extend this one all the way right here, and then we're gonna keep this one until here, because we're going to extend this one. We basically want a bigger room for here, so we're gonna close this off like that. This will be looking like this, and then we also need this area right here, because this is the second floor and we need to close this off. So I'm just using this area to have, so as you can see, I'm just redoing what we did below, and you want to make sure that you're aligned perfectly. And as you can see, this one is perfect enough, and we just want to align everything and then join them all together. And the only reason we have here is we need to close this off, because we need the lift again right here, and of course we're gonna have the door again, and then this one we need to align as well. So you want to make sure to use align before you're connecting it, so everything is aligned from below to above. And then here we could have our training, our meeting rooms, and our boardrooms. So those are, so we're gonna maintain the 2000 from this, Okay, and then CS, and then add that one, 2000 as well. So 2000 for all the corridors, and then we're going to close it off right here. So our meeting and training will be here as well. So maybe we could use this as training, and then we have this one for meeting. So this is the third. So the third wall from the left side. And then we're going to add in CS, and we could just copy this one. This room will be an office again, and then we're going to have a washroom right here, like that. So obviously we're going to open this one up, and then some offices. So we're going to extend this. We're going to have meeting, and then another meeting room right here. And I'm just making it easy for us because the rooms are very much straightforward. So here, SL, we're going to just trim and extend, and trim and extend right here. And then this spacing is more than enough. 1300 is more than enough. So we're gonna stop here for now and continue on the next video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.